Introduce highlight features or overview summary of Tpsofy 2-in-1 12V 200W car heater defroster. Key features include: driving in winter or during humid conditions often presents visibility challenges that can compromise safety. Foggy windows, icy windshields, and poor airflow can significantly impact the driver's ability to stay aware of their surroundings. This is where a compact, efficient, and safe car heater and defroster becomes an essential accessory for every vehicle owner. Designed with convenience and protection in mind, this device delivers reliable heating performance while ensuring simple installation and universal compatibility. One of the standout features of this portable car heater is its advanced safety system. Equipped with a built-in fuse and automatic overheat protection, it immediately shuts down when abnormal current is detected. This ensures that potential hazards such as overheating or electrical faults are quickly prevented, offering peace of mind during everyday use. The unit's compact design enhances portability, making it easy to place anywhere inside the vehicle thanks to a long 59-inch cable. Installation requires no tools, simply secure the heater with strong adhesive tape and plug it into the 12V power socket. This streamlined setup allows drivers to get the device running within seconds, saving time during cold mornings or unexpected weather changes. The 360 degrees rotatable design is another significant advantage. The swivel bracket allows full directional adjustment of the airflow, enabling precise heating or defrosting exactly where it is needed. Whether it's the front windshield, rear glass, or side windows, this feature enables drivers to maintain clear visibility and improve overall driving safety. It is especially effective during winter months when frost and fog are constant obstacles. Compatibility is another strong point, as the heater fits in cars, trucks, SUVs, RVs, and even worksite vans. Its powerful airflow helps clear frost and fog quickly, making it a valuable tool for commuters and professional drivers alike. Designed to deliver fast defogging and defrosting performance, it helps maintain visibility in challenging weather conditions and enhances safety on the road. Overall, this compact, user-friendly, safety-focused car heater and defroster is a must-have accessory for anyone looking to improve their driving comfort and visibility during winter or humid seasons. If you want to get full features or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. You can press to subscribe, recommend new products releases, update all day YouTube channel, to get instant notifications of all future uploads. Thank you and see you next video.